What's going on? Mike Hobbs here. And the other day on a mastermind, someone asked me, how do you get your webcam to be a little circle inside of the bottom right corner of your ScreenFlow software? So I'm going to get right into it because this is something that's actually really easy to do. So I'm going to show you right now. So if you go log into your ScreenFlow, you've already done your recording, and this is what usually pops up when you're inside of the software. And so the first thing you need to do is you need to click on your webcam file inside of ScreenFlow, and then that grabs your webcam. I like to shrink it down to where I want it originally. So just right here, I just want it in the corner somewhere. And then we start messing with the settings. So I'll click on the webcam, and then in the top right corner, there's a little video settings. So you click on the little video settings. There's actually three things you need to modify in your video settings. So the first one is the corner rounding. So I like to just raise that all the way to the top. So we're just going to go 400 corner rounding. And then the next two things are the cropping. So you're going to crop it. Now, the thing is, you're going to have to kind of mess with this a little bit. So if you crop it all the way to 400, you'll notice that it's not quite a circle. It's almost a circle, but it's not quite a circle. So I've actually found that doing 550 on the corner round gets it to a circle on my computer. So as you can see, it's now a perfect circle. It may be different on yours depending on how far you've cropped it left and right, but that's how I get a perfectly round circle within ScreenFlow. And then you can put this anywhere you want. And then what's cool is if you don't want it to circle the entire video, so you can put the circle down there, right there. You can come over here and then you can go ahead and split that. And then you can return this back to normal by just clicking reset. And then that brings it back to the scaled version, but then you just take off the cropping just like that. And now you've got your video back to normal. So if you just wanted a circle on certain parts of the video, you just do those settings and then you can go back to your full screen on certain parts of the video. But yeah, that's how simple it is. So if you want more marketing tips or money-making resources, be sure to visit the link in the description. Make it a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.